So here is the on button. There's a green button right here, a green button. So I'm just going to press that. You can hear the sound as it turns on. Okay, the blinking grey sound. Blinking sound plus the white lights. So now I'm going to turn on my Xbox. Okay, so let's turn on the Xbox. Step 3 is to hold this down for 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's blinking super fast. Now I'm going to press the headphone button on the Xbox. Okay, so now you can see the light is solid, right? It's not blinking anymore on my headset, just white light. Okay, so let's see if there's any sound when I'm playing a game. No, there isn't. Sound is not coming from here. Yes, it is. It's coming from here. All I had to do was I had to turn it up. So turn up the sound through here. Turn your right side forwards. Will make it louder. It sounds brilliant. Crystal clear sound. Wow, it's totally different to playing without a headset. Okay, so the microphone extends out this way, and I'm not sure what the left knob would do. Okay, so the left knob, basically, if you turn it all the way to the front, you will only hear game sound. But if you turn it all the way to the back, it'll only hear chatting sound. So you want it in the middle so you can hear people chatting as well as the game. Alright, so that's how the headphones work. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.